I'm going to show you how to assemble IKEA MALM Ottoman bed. And all this assembly gonna be in two parts, and this is a part 2 when I'm gonna show you how to assemble the metal frame of the opening part on IKEA MALM Ottoman bed and how to attach it to the main frame. And in the part 1 I'm gonna show you how to assemble the main frame of IKEA MALM Ottoman bed. Let's do it. You're getting 4 boxes with this bed. If you see it in the first part, you can skip this. I'm just gonna show you quickly how much stuff you're getting with this bed. A lot of boxes, a lot of screws, a lot of stuff that indicate it's gonna be a lot of work here. Good thing they itemized the bags with the screws, so you're gonna have bag number 1, 2 and 3. Useful tools: electric screwdriver, I'm using 2, one big, one small one here, hammer. All the tools I'm using in this video you can find in the description. So we're gonna start here with the bag number 3, and we're gonna do the metal frame for the opening part. So important things: organize these long ones first in the right place. So there's gonna be the opening holes on the top. Let's say here on the right side, this is the middle part, the dividing parts. This is the middle one, I'm gonna put that on the side for now. Open the bag number 3. Organize your screws, you're gonna have a better idea what you're working with. Allen keys you're getting there in a box, and here you have the bottom part. So here 3 openings on the right side. The opening at the bottom, where is the 1 arrow, and you're gonna have another 3 openings on the middle, where is the circles. So the top part have 3 openings, on the middle you have 1 hole, and at the bottom you got those 2 holes. Now we can join all parts of the frame together. 2 on the middle and 1 on each side. There it is. We're gonna have those screws, they coming in from the bottom part. Just secure it. See, I'm using the small screwdriver here. Extremely useful tool. As I mentioned, you can find all the tools I'm using in this video in the description. Secure all the screws in. Don't go crazy here, as I find out if you go a bit harder on those screws, it's kind of bending the metal. So once you feel the resistance is good enough, just stop there before you start to bending the metal frame. And here on the other side exactly the same. We find the right spots and we place it all in and secure it with the 4 screws. 1 on the side, 2 on the middle. It's important here to position all the panels the correct way, otherwise you're gonna have a problem later on. You're gonna find that out only after you're attaching this to the main frame. So this is the connecting part, which is gonna go on the middle, supporting the whole frame on the middle. So you have those holes under it, and 4 holes on the small panel. Just place 4 screws, 1 on each side and 2 on the middle, and secure them in. Between the bottom and the top part, the difference is into those panels. At the bottom you're gonna have 2 extra holes. The top is clear from this side. So this is the supporting middle panel with the 4 holes. Now you can put that on the side. You see the other side, there is a lot of holes. So this is the bottom part. We're gonna attach this. This is kind of stopper for the mattress. So the mattress not gonna go over when you're gonna opening up, and the arrow pointing to the holes for the wooden slats. Here we secure it with the 1 screw on each side, this stopper for the mattress. And it's gonna be 1 at the bottom and 1 on the top. Place it into the pretty little holes and secure it from the inner side with the 2 small screws. There it is. So you can see it's quite nice and easy to work with the small screwdriver. It helps a lot. You don't need to play with any Allen keys. Okay, once we have the frame done, we can put it on the side. And now we have the frame done already. If you didn't see it, go to part 1, and you're gonna need those long screws. Put them in your pocket, put the screwdriver next to you so you're ready if you're alone here. The best thing would be if it's two of you, so one on each side, but if not, you can do it this way as I'm doing here. Just put it the all panel in, and there you're gonna have 3 holes on one side and 3 holes on the other side. Important thing, find the first hole and get the grip on the screw. So find the connection and do exactly the same on the other side, just 1 screw. In the meantime, still hold the panel. I'm gonna have 3 holes there. Just do the top one first, as you're alone here. It's quite hard to get under it, but don't let the whole frame go yet, because it's kind of wobbly. It's opening up. You don't wanna twist it anything yet before we attach those screws. So once you attach them completely, but still hold the main frame. Don't let it go yet. You see, I'm still supporting on the top and on the bottom now, till I don't put the second screw in, because it's still, the frame is kind of heavy and it's still lifting up. I don't want to damage the screws or twist it the way I don't want it. So now you're okay to let it go. We have 1 bottom screw on the other side, so it's fine. Now we just secure all 3 screws in. 1 on the middle, 2 on the sides, and it's all secured. So this is the 3rd one for the other side. Find the hole, secure it in. There it is. Now we're gonna need this mechanism for the locking mechanism on the top. So you see those 2 holes on the bottom panel, they were for that. So don't make mistake, go with the bottom panel with the 2 holes. And the top one is clear, there's no holes on that one. Secure it the correct way. You see it's opening up nicely. Have this stripe, you're gonna pull on it, and this small kind of stopper gonna come into the brackets, which we did previously. You see the bracket at the bottom, not the L-shaped one, the other one next to it. Once you pull on the string, it's gonna open up and you can lift it up. At this point it's going quite hard, but that's how it's supposed to be, as you're gonna have a quite heavy mattress probably on it, so it's gonna be easy to open it up once the mattress is on. People complaining kind of going hard down, but that's how it's supposed to be. It should have enough resistance to support the heavy mattress. Now we're gonna need those wooden slats, so just open them up and you're gonna place those plastic ends on each side, so you have the same plastic ends, so 1 on each side of the slats. You can do all that. Gonna take a bit of time. I'm gonna speed it up here because it's exactly the same for all of them. As I mentioned in the comments, I did this video before, but here you have more details. The people in the comments was saying they cannot open the bed, or it's too hard to pull it down without the mattress. Yes, it is, and that's how it's supposed to be, because the strength of the mechanism will have to be strong enough to support the kind of heavy mattress. So don't get discouraged yet. Put the mattress on, you're gonna see how it's gonna be easier to put it down with the mattress and open it up as well. Okay, here, once we place the plastics in, just tap it all in like that. It's gonna click in, so once it clicks, you in. And we're gonna do exactly the same for all of them. I'm just gonna speed it up here because it's exactly the same, and that's how you basically do the wooden slats here. In this bed there is no any other option for the wooden slats as the usual IKEA beds have, but this is how it works here. So just place those 2 plastics on the side of each slat and then tap them in. They're gonna click in each side. They have 2 holes on each side for each slat. So just click them in. You're gonna hear the sound, and that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, we're gonna do all of them. There it is, all of them in now. And we're gonna do the bottom part of the bed. So whatever you're storing under the bed, you're not gonna be directly on the floor. So we're gonna place those stickers. You're gonna have 8 stickers. Eight stickers for each of those boards. You're gonna have 3 of them. 2 of them, they have cut corners. One is rectangle shape, so those cut corners coming in first. second one. So this is the rectangle shape, no cut corners here, just slide it in nicely. And you have the last one, that one gonna have the cut corners, so those corners come in where the metal legs are, so you have some space there. Okay, place them nicely in. Now you can store everything under your bed. There it is, and that's how you assemble and attach the opening part of the IKEA MALM Ottoman bed. Here, opening, just pull on the string, open it up. You can see I can do that in the seat, so it's going quite hard, but you can do it. That's how it's supposed to be, nice and tight opening. And this is it for part 2. I hope you enjoyed, guys. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. Thank you very much, and see you in my next one very soon. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day.